In this tutorial, I will show you how to change country or region in Valorant account in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. Open any of the browser and search for Riot Games Sport. Now open the website sportriotgames.com. Here sign in to your Valorant account. Now scroll down and click on transfer region. Here scroll down and click on change region of residence. Now you just have to scroll down and click on check. Here if your region is wrong, then it will appear here and then you will be able to change it. If you can't change your region or country from here, then scroll up and click on submit a ticket. Here first of all select the platform you are using. Then in subject type account location and in inquiry section select account management. Now in inquiry section select need help changing region of residence or country. Here click on check. If your region is wrong then it will show here. Now in description type I accidentally selected the wrong region when signing up. Can you please change my account to the server? Here you have to type the name of server of your region. Then click on submit. Then they will change your region or country. And within 1 to 2 working days, their support team will contact you to change your region or country. So that's how you can change region or country in Valorant in just few easy steps.